today, the product I choose to promote is Viporin Aromatherapy Oil 10 ml roll-on. This product is simply because dermatologist tested. This product is manufactured by International Pharmaceutical Incorporation, Bisoyco Street, Tingog, Mandawi City, Cebu, Philippines. This product is handy. I can apply this product in this part. In this part and in this part. This product is affordable. I buy this product for only 140 pesos. I suggest you can buy this product in the pharmacies like Mercury Drugs, 360 Pharmacy, and Rose Pharmacy. Also, you can buy or order this product in online platforms like Shopee and Lazada.
This product I consider one of my needs. Once upon a time, usa ka adlaw, I said, usani sa sumpay sa akong kinabuhi kani nga product. There are a lot of benefits I can gain from this product, such as relief from discomfort, stress, headaches, dizziness, and stuffy nose. Also, it brings calmness of my mind, and it helps my body relax. It is convenient and handy roll-on. Its tiny size allows for easy carrying. The price is affordable, and I love the smell of this product. I assure that this product cannot harm or danger me because the Viporin bottle indicates the direction for use, precaution, warning, expiration date, and also it had been dermatological tested.
Today, I will interview one of the users of Viporin Aromatherapy, my mother. Why do you buy this product often?
It has benefits, reliefs from stress, headache, sickness, dizziness, and colds.
Also today, I will interview another person, my sister. What are the reasons why do you buy Viporin Aromatherapy?
This product gave me peace of mind and relief stress from schoolwork. It's satisfied because it gives many benefits and also affordable.